look at the priorities. This is a subset of the hits from the search. It's not what he has done today. Even though, look at the last rep. Most of this was done in February 11th or 20th from the hits in the search. And look at the priority range. It's very similar. 14, 14, 15, 17 at maximum. So most of what he has done is in the very close, very narrow priority range. And the interval is also very similar. So it's very homogenic. And that is a direct consequence of this very extreme linear flow that he's having. Because if you do incremental reading, perhaps you will come across this section of the book a lot later. So you already had done some other repetitions in the meantime. Perhaps, let's say, you still do it linearly, but incrementally. So you only do one action, one memory. So every extract he did in this session will have taken 1 day. And even if you put it in a very high priority and you force the interval, so every day you see it, which I do, it's a flow that I have. So every day you do one extract from this book. So it's incremental, but very condensed in time. You still have the chance that, hey, I will see this that I did 2 days ago, and perhaps I will do a close deletion, perhaps I will do another extract, perhaps I will reformate a little without doing any of those actions. It will take more iterations, and that's it. But I won't accumulate so many with the same interval, because I will do the repetitions in those, or none, because of my priority protection is I'm not going to see this ever again until I get my priority protection in the 13th and so on. But if I don't get my priority protection there, I won't do the repetitions unless I have some fuzziness. And it happens to be that some kind of random priorities I got was this one. It's unlikely. But long story short, I will have more incrementalism, more interruptions, and the least amount of homogeneous. It will be more different. It's very likely that I have a greater range of priorities, a greater range of intervals, and even if in his case, the extracts are kind of short, so they won't require many repetitions. So eventually I will apply this as done. And I will apply as done, let's say to 5 of them or 10 of them, that I'm still not done from the source, the schooling society. I'm still in page 20 to say something. So unless you're in a rush, you have a deadline, or for whatever reason, you cannot wait for it, do incremental reading.